Hey everyone, it's Erin Floater here, and I am here filming for the week of November 19th to the 25th. Hold on, did I get it right? I got it right. Okay, perfect. All right, so I really liked how last week is going. I'm currently in last week, so I can't say how it went. But I like how it's going, so I'm going to set up pretty similar, where I'm just going to kind of have an at a glance and then play it by ear for the dailies. And thank you guys for your comments, because I thought I was perfectly hilarious saying play it by ear. So thanks for egging me on, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and set things up. This is the week of Thanksgiving in the United States. I am doing a Friendsgiving. I'm going over to my friend's house, and she is going to host quite a few of us this year. My fiance is down in Florida, as is my family and his family. So I will not be joining them this year because I already have to go to Florida in December, and there's a lot of Florida trips going on, so I needed a little bit of a Florida break. So I will be doing Friendsgiving with them, and so I'm going to go ahead and set this up and fast forward you through with some music and then see you on the other side. Okay, so that's about it. And as you can see, I have the dropsies today. I kept dropping my pen for some reason. So I just made them into notes because that's what I do. I play it by ear. So I changed it up just slightly because I was finding this week while I was working on things that I really wanted to have a place since I was playing it by ear and only doing dailies, but then I would think about something that I need to do that wasn't necessarily a thing for today, I kept finding myself wanting to write it down for later in the week. So I added a place for to do this week. And then I just added a little notes section, which I thought was funny because notes, music notes, I am super punny. I guess I'm in a very punny mood. So I added a space for that as well. Things like my fiance, when exactly he's doing stuff, and I didn't mark it on the other stuff because he's not here. So I gotta do what I gotta do. So I have my meetings and events over here. I kept it pretty simple. If you wanted to know, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces each for each day. And then there's a little space here at the bottom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces at the top. And just like 2 spaces left over at the bottom, in case you were wondering the dynamics of that. And then I set up for Monday, I'll put my weather and some other information over here, and then just have a big long running to-do list, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for joining me. Even though this is a pretty simplistic setup, I really enjoyed how it worked for me this week. So I'm not going to fix what's not broken. So especially this week when, you know, I'm only working a couple days, and then, you know, I won't have much to do this weekend because I think it'll be nice to take a good long break. Although Black Friday, in case you were wondering, I am going to do a Black Friday deal. I'm going to do 15% off my, maybe 20% off my entire shop. So you'll find my shop link in the description below. I will have my shop closed until Thursday, and then Friday it's gonna Thursday night, and then it's gonna open, and then Thursday into Monday I will be having that sale for Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and Cyber Monday. You'll be seeing 20% off in my shop in case you are interested. It's Erin Photo Designs. It's on Etsy. All the good things. Hashtag promote myself. So I will see you all on Wednesday when I do a wellness. Oh, Wednesday I will not be doing a wellness. That is my other little announcements. I will not be doing a wellness because some stuff happened with my Erin Condren, and I wasn't able to do a wellness for this week. Instead, I am doing it in my bullet journal, which again, I'm glad I moved to my Erin Condren for the wellness stuff because it's feeling a little hectic and cluttered, and it's making me nervous. So I'm glad I did that. Anyways, I will see you on Friday for a video and for my sale in my shop. So have a great Thanksgiving for everyone who is here in the United States. Bye, everyone.